Do you believe I should be put to death?
I believe that the punishment for apostasy in a correct Islamic state is death. I believe that that's the correct. Let me finish. Let me just respond, sir.
I asked you, do you believe I should be killed today?
And I answered you, sir.
I'm scared.
Brother Rashid, for one, Brother Rashid, go for it. What's on your mind?
Because this concerns me. Do you believe I should be put to death?
I believe that the punishment for apostasy in a correct Islamic state is death. I believe that that's the correct. Let me finish. Let me just respond, sir. I believe that that is the correct punishment which has been revealed by God both in the Quran and the Bible. And for Robert to turn around
I asked you.
Let me finish.
I asked you, do you believe I should be killed today?
And I answered you, sir.
Yes or no?
I answered you.
Yes or no?
I answered you.
I think he said yes.
You want me to answer?
I said.
Yeah, you answered me.
In a proper Islamic jurisdiction,
that's crazy.
Islamic nation, all of the laws of Islam and the Sharia as revealed by God should be applied.
So if we were in that kind of state, would you do it?
Including
I'm not the one that
with proper due process, with a proper court hearing, just like any nation of laws, the laws of the Sharia should be applied, including the death penalty for not only apostates, but also blasphemers.
You didn't answer me, yes or no?
We did answer.
Yes, we did answer.
Yeah, so I should be killed.
We did answer.
I deserve to be killed because I left Islam and became a Christian.
According to Islamic law, an apostate like you would be killed. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And according to the Bible
let me. This is a fallacy. This is a fallacy.
Robert,
too costly. Like you want to say you have it too. It's a fallacy.
No.
Let us discuss this because
it's a fallacy.
It's a fallacy. Let me finish.
Please condemn Jesus.
Yeah.
Please.
Oh, you think you
condemn
should?
Jesus?
Robert
already condemned him. So
No, you're lying.
Let me finish.
Be on record saying you're lying about that.
Let me finish.
That's what happened. You said eventually we realized you
you're lying.
Just let me finish.
Let's hear Brother Rashid, and then I'll come to you. Go for it.
You converted from Christianity to Islam. Your life is not under threat here in the U.S. I converted from Islam to Christianity. My life is under death. That's the difference between Christianity and Islam.
Okay, so let me ask you this.
Yes.
I got a question for you guys. I'm a data guy. I'm a finance guy. How many Christians have died going from being Christian to Muslim? How many Muslims have actually been killed or died going from being a Muslim to a Christian?
There's no data on that because these kinds of things are not recorded. They're not considered crime.
There should be, though, right? I mean, shouldn't there even if there's some stories to be able to say, you know, XYZ individual.
I have stories. I have one in Mauritania who was condemned to be executed. We just got him out to Paris because we negotiated with the government there. I have people right now in Libya. They are under death penalty in Libya. I have people who got killed in Jordan, for example, because I do my show. People contact me. I have people who got killed in Jordan. Their parents killed them because they became Christians from a Muslim background. We have people in different places in the world, in the Muslim community, they kill them, and if they get to flee, that's the best outcome.
I got a question. While I'm
that's terrifying. Well, I'm ending the stream today, chat. I gotta go. Okay, that's pretty freaking crazy. I mean, I know the Bible says kill the polytheists, like in certain situations in the Old Testament. All right, chat. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll be streaming tomorrow. W's in the chat. I'm scared.